If your notary bag is organized, but your business backend is a mess, this one's for you. In 2025, the notary industry is more competitive and more digital and more demanding than ever. But the notaries who are thriving, they're not just good at stamps and signatures, they've built organized systems that keep their business smooth, legal, and scalable. Today, I'm sharing 5 game-changing strategies to organize your notary business, so you can spend less time chasing paper trails and more time growing your income. Let's get into it. Let's start with digital document management, because if your files are scattered, your business is too. One of the biggest myths I see in the notary world is this idea that you need to keep everything. That's wrong. In fact, keeping certain documents like client loan packages or power of attorney forms after your job is done can be a liability. Here's what you shouldn't keep: loan documents, power of attorney forms, any private or sensitive client files. What you should absolutely keep and organize are your business documents. So invoices, receipts, expense records, notary journal backups, client contact details. My system is simple but strong. I scan and save all receipts and invoices weekly into clearly labeled folders. Every month, I download a digital backup of my notary journal entries and save them to both the cloud and an encrypted external drive. I keep a clean digital folder system organized by year and quarter so I can quickly find anything that I need. You don't need 10 tools. You really need one consistent workflow. That's what keeps you compliant, professional, and ready for audits or emergencies. Your clients are everything, and how you manage those relationships makes a huge difference in whether they come back or forget you. Right now, I use a combo of Calendly for scheduling and Notary Calendar for syncing availability. These 2 tools alone help me avoid double bookings, last-minute reschedules, and appointment confusion. But here's the thing. I'm currently building a notary-specific CRM that truly works for mobile professionals like us. Most CRMs weren't built with notaries in mind. We're dealing with location-based appointments, legal compliance, client history tracking. It's really unique. So here's what I track for every single client right now: full name and contact details, type of notarization, appointment date, time, and location, any notes about accessibility or preferences, follow-up status, or repeat visit potential, and I don't stop there. I've set up automatic email confirmations when someone books, text reminders before appointments, follow-up emails asking for reviews, and offering resources. If you're relying on memory or text threads to manage clients, it's really time to level up. Start with a simple spreadsheet if you must, but build the habit now, because organization is what allows your business to scale. Let's talk money, because if you're not organized financially, you'll always be playing catch up. One of the first things I did when I got serious about my notary business was open a separate business checking account and apply for business credit card. This made it so much easier to track what was business and what was personal. Here's what I do every single week. I review and categorize all expenses. I enter mileage logs for my appointments. I upload receipts into my QuickBooks self-employment app. I cross-check transactions using Notary Assist or for simplified notary-specific reports. Monthly, I generate profit and loss reports to see where my money is going and where it's coming from. And quarterly, I'm prepped for taxes, so I'm never surprised. If you're not great at math or spreadsheets or money, don't stress. There are tools made just for us, tools that can handle categorizing mileage, supply costs, notary fees, and more. But here's the key. Don't wait until tax season. Build your tracking system now, and you'll be more confident, more professional, and more profitable. Now, this video is probably coming out after our 2025 tax filings. I know it's probably not timely if you're watching it in 2025, but if you're just starting your business, this is really important information. You want to stay relevant and valuable in this industry, right? Then never stop learning. The most organized notaries I know are the ones who take professional development seriously. Because when you stay on top of new laws, technologies, and skills, you avoid mistakes, you expand your services, and you attract higher paying clients. Here's what my education plan looks like. I commit to at least one course per quarter. That might be loan signings for you, or jail notary training, estate planning, document handling, you name it. I also attend monthly webinars for updates on California notary law and compliance. I stay curious about digital notarization trends because, like it or not, Ron is growing. And although I can't do it in California, it's everywhere else. And every year I attend one major notary conference. Yes, it costs money, but it's also one of the best investments I make in my business. I also spend a minimum of 1 hour a week inside notary forums, not scrolling, learning. I read posts, share advice, and connect with other professionals. This keeps me sharp and aware of real-world challenges and solutions in the field. If you want to stay confident, compliant, and competitive, schedule your learning like you would any client appointment. It's really that important. Let's get into marketing, because you could be the most skilled notary around, but if no one knows you exist, it won't matter. First, I've said it and I'm not going to stop saying it, Google business profile. Claim it, complete it, and keep it updated. Add real photos of your workspace or mobile setup. Ask happy clients to leave reviews and respond to them, every single one. Next is LinkedIn. This isn't just for corporate folks. My LinkedIn profile brings in referrals from attorneys and estate planners. I keep it updated with certifications, services, educational posts, and a professional headshot. Third, pick one social media platform. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, whatever you enjoy using the most, but be consistent. Post about notary tips, what to bring to an appointment, common client questions, your availability, or even client wins with client permission. Lastly, never underestimate local networking. Join your Chamber of Commerce. Connect with real estate agents, estate attorneys, and senior service providers. The goal isn't just to be seen, it's to be trusted. Build that trust with content, consistency, and connection. Let's bring it all together. Here are the 5 systems that will truly organize and elevate your notary business in 2025. Digital document management. Stop drowning in files. Protect what matters. Client management. Track your clients like they're VIPs because, quite frankly, they are. Financial tracking. Know where your money is going and plan ahead. Ongoing education. Stay sharp, stay legal, stay booked. Marketing and visibility. Be findable, be credible, and show up consistently. These aren't just tips, they're really habits. And if you implement even 2 or 3 of them this month, I guarantee you'll feel more in control, more confident about your notary business. Now it's your turn. Hit subscribe if this helped you. Comment below which one of these strategies do you need to improve the most. And check the description for links to every tool I mentioned. But wait, before you go, if you want to learn how to organize and automate even faster using ChatGPT, I'm inviting you to one of my free ChatGPT for Notaries workshops. These workshops have amazing reviews and give you an interactive 90-minute training on using ChatGPT to save time on admin, write better emails, create content, and organize your entire business with ease. Plus, you get 100 notary-specific ChatGPT prompts, a chance to grab the ChatGPT for Mobile Service Businesses course for 50% off. So many of the things we talked about in today's video, you can use AI to handle them better and faster, and I'll show you how. There are 3 upcoming workshop dates, and the link to register is right in the description. I really can't wait to see you there, and I can't wait to see you in next week's video. Bye.